Every thought keeps calling out your name. Nothing ever feels the same. Eyes closed but I see your face, like a memory I can't erase. In the silence you come alive, keeping every dream inside. Slow rhythm in my heart tonight. You're the reason it feels so right.
Imagine a place where the frantic pace of the modern world simply dissolves, replaced by the rhythmic lap of water against ancient stone. Our journey begins at the edge of the mainland, at the Venezia Mestre Station, the gateway to a city unlike any other on Earth. Boarding the train, there is a collective sense of excitement. We are leaving the world of asphalt and exhaust behind for something magical. As the train glides forward, the industrial landscape of the mainland fades, giving way to the vast, shimmering expanse of the Venetian lagoon. Entering Santa Lucia Station is like crossing a threshold in time. The air feels different here. Step outside, and the transformation is complete. The Grand Canal unfolds before you, a bustling artery of water where boats replace cars. There are no sirens here, no honking horns, just the sound of footsteps on stone and the gentle splashing of oars in the distance. To explore Venice is to embrace the art of walking. Every bridge crossed is a transition into a deeper, more intimate layer of history. We leave the main tourist paths behind, choosing instead to follow the call of the narrow side streets, known locally as Cali. Getting lost in Venice isn't an inconvenience. It's a gift. It's how you find the soul of the city, hidden in its labyrinthine passages. Every corner reveals a new detail: a weathered wooden door, a flower box overflowing with geraniums, or a centuries-old crest carved in stone. The light here is a painter's dream, bouncing off the canal water to create dancing patterns on the underside of bridges and balconies. In these quiet corners, the silence is profound. You can hear the gentle lapping of a boat gliding along the canal, or the muffled conversation of neighbors. Venice is a city of contrasts. One moment you are part of a crowd, the next you are the only soul on a bridge. Venice doesn't reveal itself all at once. It requires patience, curiosity, and a willingness to be led by the city itself. Every journey here is unique. No two walks through the maze of Venice will ever be quite the same. It is a city built on water, but sustained by the dreams of those who visit and the resilience of those who call it home.
I see the world in your eyes, reflected in the sky. No plans, nowhere to go, just taking it slow. Another beautiful day, we're drifting away through colors and light. Everything feels right. I'm always behind you, watching you shine. In this moment together, everything's mine. Green Every step, every breath feels so right. Another beautiful day, don't let it fade. Through laughter and light, hold on to this time. I'm always behind you, through all that we do in this life, in this moment. It's me and you.
After some time, we took a boat that changes everything. Seeing Venice from the water feels different. Buildings rise straight from the canal. Everything looks closer. We pass through the Grand Canal. It's more open there, more movement, still feels calm. We reached St. Mark's Square, then back to walking again. That's really how you explore Venice. Much wider space, more people. You can just stand there and look around. After that, we kept walking. No direction, just following the streets.
Honestly, Venice is not just the big places. It's everything in between. The small paths, the quiet corners, the feeling of just being there. You don't really need a plan. You just walk, and the city shows itself.
In the quiet of the night, I feel you close. Shadows dancing where the soft wind blows. Every thought keeps calling out your name. Nothing ever feels the same. Eyes closed, but I see your face like a memory I can't erase. In the silence, you come alive, keeping every dream inside. Slow rhythm in my heart tonight. You're the reason it feels so right. In my dreams, you're right with me, like a wave across the sea. Every heartbeat, every move pulls me deeper into you. And when morning starts to shine, your hand falling into mine. Every step, every view feels like I'm still dreaming you. Gently through the dawn. Every step just feels brand new when the world is next to you. Soft laughter in the morning, yeah. Little moments that we share. Time slows down when you are near. Nothing else I want but here. Feel the rhythm, soft and low, like a love that only grows. In my dreams, you're right with me, like a wave across the sea. Every heartbeat, every move pulls me deeper into you. And when morning starts to shine, your hand falling into mine. Every step, every view feels like I'm still dreaming you. sun. Every moment, every sound feels like love all around. In my dreams you're right with me. Now it feels like reality. Every breath, every truth leads me back again to you.